Now, quite famous term between gym lovers and fitness freak is the term protein coffee or Proffee. Now, what is protein coffee? Now, gym lovers love to have it as their pre-workout drink before going to the gym, before hitting the gym. They love having this coffee. Now, let's tell you how protein coffee is made. For that, you need to have 1 scoop of any protein powder. You need to have a cup of coffee. You need to cool down the coffee, or you can add ice cubes if you want, and keep stirring it until it dissolves. Now, having protein coffee or Proffee safe for our health or not? Let's find out in the video. What do you get when you take a protein drink or powder and mix it with cold brewed coffee or ice espresso shots? Now, Proffee, according to the viral trend on TikTok, the hashtag has amassed more than 4 million views, with even medical practitioners and scrubs touting the connotation as a protein-packed pick-me-up that aids in weight loss. Is it possible to go overboard on protein, and Proffee maintains no ingent? The biggest risk is exceeding your recommended daily amount of protein and caffeine. The US Food and Drug Administration says adults should not consume more than 400 milligrams of caffeine daily, which translates to about 4 to 5 cups of coffee. As per the Dietary Reference Intake Report for Macronutrients, a sedentary adult should consume 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, or 0.36 grams per pound. About 56 grams of protein per day for the average man and 46 grams for the average woman. Now, with this, coffee offers plenty of perks, at least when consumed in moderate amounts. Now, it is a rich source of antioxidant which protect your body's cell against damage. So if you consume Proffee in a moderate amount, it's good for your health. Also, putting protein in your system to start the day can help curb hunger and possibly help in managing weight. Now, protein also charges up your metabolism to burn more calories. Now, let's find out from the expert how Proffee benefits your health, and if it has any side effects, what are those?
Do you know Proffee? Yes, you heard correct. I'm talking about Proffee. As the name suggests, it is the combination of protein supplement or a protein powder along with your coffee. Nowadays, Proffee is in very much trend. Basically, coffee have its own benefits. Coffee is containing caffeine along with the antioxidants such as polyphenol, including chlorogenic acid, which have antioxidant property, anti-diabetic property, anti-cancer property. Coffee also helps in aiding metabolism. Coffee helps and reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Coffee also helps in weight loss if it is taken as a black coffee without adding any sugar. Coffee can be taken as pre-workout drink to increase your performance. But nowadays it is a good news for a coffee lovers. Now they can add protein supplement in their coffee to make it more healthy and make as a Proffee. Adding protein supplement in your diet in the morning can also help to achieve the protein requirements per day, and it also helps to give you the strength, endurance and combat about the weakness, which further will help you to increase your performance. Dose of protein in the morning in your tummy. If you will have a protein rich food, it will help you to control your carb cravings, which further help you for the weight loss. Protein enhances your metabolism, which further burn more calories. But be cautious. Protein supplements should not be taken randomly, should not be taken without the advice of a dietitian or a doctor, as excess of any nutrient, excess of any nutritional supplement can give you toxicity, can harm your body, so it should be advised. Protein supplement should be therapeutically tested and medically approved. Do you know that coffee beans itself contain appreciated amount of proteins? So now for the coffee lovers, they can enjoy their protein drink as a Proffee, as a pre-workout drink with the goodness of coffee. Thank you.